Hey guys, Tamara here and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to upcycle this old planter box. The goal is to sand it, seal the inside, put a stain of wood, just freshen it up. Then we're going to take all of these herbs that we have and plant them in there, get them potted so that we can have a little mini indoor herb garden. The first thing we're going to do is sand it down. I'm using 120 grit. This is just a really nice rough sandpaper that will make it really easy to get that layer of old wood off. Then I'm going to test out 3 different stains. This first stain is a amber, the second is a walnut, and this third one is just a clear coat. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, you know that wood is so weird and stains react differently to each type. I'm not sure exactly what type of wood this is, so that's why I'm just doing a little test. I'm just taking a small amount, rubbing it on the side to see how it reacts. So I did that with all 3. So the first one is the warm amber, and the second one is a walnut. As you can see, it goes on super dark. Too dark, I don't like it. The third one is a clear coat. Those are my 3 that I did, clear, walnut, and amber, and I personally really like the amber. It's just really simple, clean, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a little in my plastic container and then just rub that on. Now the reason I like the amber is it's just really subtle and it just gives a nice light fresh finish. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is bonding. This is my well-loved caulking. As you can see, it is so near done. So I use this for everything around toilets, ceilings. It is awesome. So what I'm doing is taking a little bit on my fingers and then smearing it on the inside of the box. And the reason I'm doing this is to prevent the water from seeping through the wood. I've seen some people put like plastic in there, but I thought that this would be a lot easier than trying to staple plastic in because it's such a small box. So I let that dry for 24 hours. And then the next day I got to potting. This planting soil is awesome. It's from the Dollarama. It's 68 cents a bag, and it's just the right amount to do a small project like this. So what I'm doing is filling each little box about a quarter way through, then I'm digging a little hole in, then take my little plants and pop them in and then just fill it up. So this is the reveal. Was it before? Old, dry, rough. And then this is it after. I think it's so cute. It's the perfect little size for these tiny baby herbs. And I did it on the side of the windowsill because I find that's where we get a lot of sunlight. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment. Have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.